Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear and a good deal. Features also include bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, steering wheel controls, MP3. You are going to love 2012 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, fog lights, rollover protection system, cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats, wipers, variable speed intermittent. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.